student, part 2, lesson number 5, our Earth's natural satellite. Previous video, I hope you understood that which type of surface present on the moon, why life cannot exist on the moon. In this video, we are going to start first phases of the moon. Phases of the moon means the different shapes of the moon as visible from the earth is known as phases of the moon. Understood? Now, next one, opaque object. You know what is opaque object? Opaque object which light cannot pass through them. This type of object is known as opaque object. Anybody knows the example of opaque object? Only opaque object form the shadow. Yes, your book, box, pen, pencil, bag, these all are the opaque object. Even you also are opaque object because you also form the shadow. So these things happen in heavenly body also. Moon and earth, they form the shadow. Moon and earth form the shadow. That because they are the opaque object. So when the moon revolves around the earth and when earth revolves around the sun, one time these all the heavenly body come in a straight line, then they form the eclipse. Eclipse are nothing but the shadow of the moon or the earth, that is the eclipse. First we are going to start when the moon is completely hidden by the shadow of the earth is known as lunar eclipse. I am again repeating this one. When the moon is completely in the shadow of the earth is known as lunar eclipse. When moon is totally come in the dark shadow of the earth, that is a total lunar eclipse. And when moon is come in the partially, it is known as partially lunar eclipse. Understood everybody? What is this? When the moon is completely in the shadow of the earth is known as lunar eclipse. When it is in total lunar eclipse, but when the partially moon is present in the shadow of the earth is known as partially lunar eclipse. Okay. Next one, solar eclipse. Solar eclipse means when the sun is completely hidden behind the shadow of the moon. It is total solar eclipse. What is? When the sun is completely hidden by the shadow of the moon is known as total solar eclipse. Or when the sun is partially hidden by the shadow of the moon is known as partially solar eclipse. These both the things are the heavenly objects. Okay, so this is known as the eclipse. Two types of eclipse are present, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Everybody turn the page and come to the 220 page number. The moon and the tides. The moon and the tides. Although the moon's gravity is very weak, it has a noticeable effect on the earth. It pulls the water from the sea and the ocean. It is known as tides. There are two types of tides, high tides and the low tides. Everybody see the diagram, page number 220, formation of tides. Formation of tides. In this one, there is a structure. Here we have a high tides and this type, the pole, we have a low tides. And this is the moon. Because of the moon's gravity, it has happened, tides. Then artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are the human-made object which revolve around the earth, just as the moon does. When the first human-made satellite Sputnik first was launched in orbit in space by Russian scientists. You know which one was the first man go into the space? Anybody knows? Yes. On 12 April 1969, Major Yuri Gagarin was the first person who go into the space, and woman Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman go into the space. On 3rd April 1984, Squadron leader Rakesh Sharma became India's first man go into the space. Who was the first woman? Yes, Kalpana Chawla. India has launched different types of the satellites. These are Aryabhat, launched in 1975, was the first Indian satellite. Bhaskar second, Rohini, Apple, INSAT first B, INSAT 2A, INSAT 2B, IRS first A, Kuznets, Kalpana 1, Idjus, Saral and Irnes are some other Indian satellites. You know what are the main uses of this artificial satellite? Satellites which send messages from one country to another country are called communication satellites. They are used to send signals of television programs from one country to another country. Weather satellites take pictures of movement of clouds and help us for forecast of weathers. Artificial satellites are also giving different information about a particular region on the earth. So these satellites are very important nowadays because these satellites give us previous information about floods, disaster or natural disasters like that. This all about the our Earth's natural satellite means moon. I hope you understood this video. Question answer and exercise I will give you in a PDF file. Bye.